Good morning mga kahiking. Actually, it's a Friday's day. So, ngayon mga kahiking, we would like to react that video or last hearing or impeach trial, no? Kasi nag-uupi na po sila ng party sa OVP. Sinabi ng prosecutor na si Dilima ang pagwawaldas ni BP Sara daw, no? Pagwawaldas daw. So actually wala pang konklusyon na ito po ay totoo o hindi dahil hindi pa man nabuksan kung ano po ba ang katotohanan. So actually nagpo-proceeding pa at pinapatuloy pa nating panuorin o patuloy pa nating pakinggan at patuloy pa natin sinubaybayan kung ano ang katotohanan, no, ng impeach trial base sa kanilang pag-prosecute. Ngayon, mga kahiking is nag-o-object si Mr. Poa dahil po sa dahilan po sa testimony or pag little bit na sentence, no, ni Dilemma, no, according to Mr. Poa is hindi po pwedeng magbibigay ng conclusion kung anumang mga hakbang na pwedeng ikakasira ng credibility na walang basihan or walang katotohanan dahil sabi nila the burden of proof o proof of burden. So ang katotohanan ay dapat may ebidensya at mailalatad na. Dahil doon pinapatuloy nating pinapakinggan at proceed, no? Dahil po ni Chis Escudero, the presiding office, we will stop din, no? At the time dahil po nag-u-object po ang kabilang panig, no, na kay BP Sara na si Mr. Pua, the spokesperson of BP Sara. So that's why mga kahiking nakikita natin na maganda naman ang kanilang pag-i-speech dahil doon na-object talaga si Dilema at hindi po natuloy yung mga conclusion na ginagawa. At sabi po ni Mr. Pua, hindi po pwedeng mag-conclusion kaya po na-object at that time si Dilema dahil po nagbibigay na siya ng conclusion. Kaya panoorin natin ang full video at marami po tayong makukuhang matutunan. Ganito pala kapag nandoon sa Korte Suprema or anumang mga pagpupulong or paglilitis, no, pwedeng mag-u-object kung hindi na po naaayon sa batas or naaayon sa rule of regulation. So kaya mga kaking maganda naman ang ating topic ngayon dahil part po ito sa impeach trial ni BP Sara. Kaya ang ating panoorin at lagi natin subaybayan ang mga pwedeng mangyayari sa susunod na mga proceeding. Kaya ito muli si Lexter Hiking TV at hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa ating YouTube channel, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe sa ating Lexter Hiking TV nag-iisang The Lexter Hiking TV, the political point of view.
The evidence will show that she did. This case, Article 1, is about 612.5 million in confidential funds entrusted to VP Sara Duterte through the Office of the President and the Department of Education. This is not about one missing receipt. This is not about a clerical error or accounting mistake. The evidence will reveal a pattern, a systemic course of conduct that, taken as a whole, demonstrates graft and corruption and betrayal of public trust.
With the permission of the Honorable Dilima, yes, Counsel for
Your Honors,
Respondent.
again, Your Honors, I think we have to object to the statements being made by the Honorable Dilima, with all due respect, of course. Your Honors, they can do that through the offer of their evidence, Your Honor.
Chair will instruct the
this is
Honorable Dilima
another-
to kindly limit her statements. I was listening intently in the beginning. It was okay, Honorable Dilima, but later on, you did make conclusions of law already, which the chair orders to be stricken from the record. You may wind up, Honorable Dilima, but kindly avoid conclusions of fact and law.
Your Honors, please, if I may just be given just
Yes,
a few seconds. Your Honors, ang naging problema natin nung huling pagkakataon na pinayagan natin yung ganitong statement at sinasabi na nga ng presiding officer is kahit naman i-strike off the record natin, narinig na po at nasabi na. So to allow, Your Honors, again, a continuation of such is really goes into the matter of fair play, Your Honor.
Honorable De Lima,
Again, with all due
kindly
respect,
wind
Your
up.
Honor.
Again, you were forewarned beforehand to kindly limit your statements. Hence, you are faced again with a similar situation. Kindly wind up, Honorable De Lima, and call your witness.
Ang dami pong malalampasan sa aking opening statement because
Yes,
this is
but,
supposed to be an
again,
overview
it is the
of the
court's
case,
position,
the overview of the evidence.
To let the witnesses speak, not the counsels, insofar as the evidence is concerned or conclusions of both fact and law. Kindly wind up, Honorable De Lima.
I submit to Your Honor, and so I will wind up. Kapag ang isang impeachable officer, tulad ng pangalawang Pangulo, ay nabuso ang kapangyarihan sa paraang sumisira sa accountability,
Same objection, Your
sumusuway sa
Honor.
pananagutan, dapat pa ba siyang pagkatiwalaan? Dapat pa ba siyang manatili sa pwesto? When the Filipino people entrusted their money to Vice President Sara Duterte, was that trust honored? That question will not be answered by politics, by general denials, by press releases. It will be answered by the witnesses, by the documents, by audit, and by the evidence, and the prosecution is ready to present it. Sa kabuuan ng ebidensya, makitang hindi lang mga simpleng irregularidad ang nangyari.
Objection, Your Honor.
Malinaw
Again,
ito.
objection, Your Honor.
Honorable De Lima, I would have to
Sistematikong
stop
paraan.
you.
This is out of
I would have
line.
to stop you at this point. The continuing objection of the respondent is duly noted. I would have to stop you at this point.
And I have to
my
stop
due
now.
apologies, but kindly call your witness already.
Thank you, Your Honors. I submit. Thank you very much.
Kindly call your witness, Representative Chua.